Welcome to the 3-step drone filming system. I'm Tom, I'm your host, and before I get into why and how this course is going to benefit you, I just wanted to thank you for investing in this training. It means a great deal to me. The secret to mastering anything is actually having a system. So what I'm going to share with you is my approach to mastering great aerial filming with a simple, repeatable system. What I'm going to share with you will make you a better drone pilot and give you the confidence to shoot amazing aerials. I wanted to make this course easy to consume, short, specific and relevant to you. If you're starting out and you're flying for the first time, this will help you build up those all-important skills, and in just a few hours you'll be shooting amazing aerials. Or perhaps you've just recently bought a drone to add to your toolkit as a working video professional and want to learn how to get the very best from it. This concise video training program is a step-by-step masterclass to helping you achieve outstanding drone filming in 3 easy steps. Now you can watch the course in order or go to a specific module and learn a specific skill or shot type at your own pace. My recommendation is to start at the beginning and follow the course sequentially. Once again, thank you very much, and don't forget to join the free Facebook group using the link below so you can post your results and share your journey with the other members. We have designed this course to be effective and simple. There's no fluff and no filler to make the course seem more valuable. You won't have to trawl through 6 or more hours of videos to get to the point either. I've condensed into simple steps what you need to be aware of, what settings you should use for optimal results, and then I want you to get out and shoot yourself. The fact is, my approach to filming aerials is very straightforward. And so we've laid out this program in a very simple 3-step process. In each module, everything is laid out the same. We'll start with an introduction of what you're going to learn and what the objectives are for that module. In part 2, every module will go through a detailed explanation of what to do, how to do it, and where to do it. There are also PDF downloads and additional resources when required that you can use as further reference. Finally, we'll recap each module with a practical exercise and a checklist, which will then give you the confidence to go out and implement the shoots yourself. I recommend the first thing you do is go through all of the training, watch and enjoy. Now, while we have guides and PDF downloads, you may want to also take your own notes. Also, each module has an audio-only version so that you can download that and take it out in the field with you, plus a transcription so you can read things if you like to do that. Also, under each video, there's a place where you can ask questions to myself and the team, and we will be available to answer those questions usually within a 24 or 48-hour period. So if you have some specific questions about something in the module, leave us a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Finally, we've designed this course to work with small, compact and affordable drones, but the principle will work with any drone and any manufacturer. So thanks so much again for being here. We truly appreciate you, and I look forward to sharing my knowledge with you. Hi, I'm Tom, and I just wanted to share with you my story and why I've developed this course in cinematic drone filming. I started my career about 20 years ago in film production, and I've worked with both Soho-based international studios and more recently building my own boutique film company business with my wife. And we work with brands who recognise what amazing quality video can do for a business. I've loved seeing the development of camera technology over the years and how smaller cameras allow better dynamic creativity when it comes to movement. Gimbals and drones have been a really amazing development for us and helped us to have a very recognisable style of filmmaking. More recently, around 3 years ago, I started shooting aerials for BBC One Productions, and I've been a preferred supplier for Antiques Roadshow and Countryfile. Over the course of my professional career, I've really seen the boom in the power of emotional video content and how storytelling and captivating footage will keep viewers glued to their screens. And this is why I developed this course, to help pilots develop a real sense of storytelling in their aerial filming and go from average aerial filming to filming epic cinematic masterpieces. So I'd be more than happy to talk to anyone on this course and find out more about you, tell you more about myself and anything drone related. So thanks again and enjoy.